Welcome friends. In this session, we are going to see the 11th program of Statistical Machine Learning for DS. A bakery claims that its new cookie recipe is lower in calories compared to the old recipe, which had a mean calorie count of 200. You sample 40 new cookies and find a mean of 190 calories with a standard deviation of 15 calories. Perform a one-tail t-test to determine if the new recipe has significantly fewer calories at a 5% significant level. Let's go for the code from VTU Circle website. 11th program. So here is the code. In code we are using sci-fi module. So make sure that sci-fi module is installed. To check it, just open your command prompt and just type pip install sci-fi and done. If it is not installed, it will install. If it is installed, it will show requirement already satisfied. And just copy this code and open IDLE and just click on new file and just paste the code. Control V to paste and Control S to save, as it is 11th program, Statistical Machine Learning SML 11, and save. Just run this code and see the required output is similar to the VTU circles output. If you face any of the problem in any step of the videos, you can comment out. I will make sure that I will clear your doubts. Thank you for watching.